What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a project or start a project in QuillBot. To do that, go ahead and click on anything. You can choose the paraphrase tool or whichever. Once you go ahead and do that, you'll be able to see the side menu there and you'll be able to click on project, for example. Then from here, you can click and create a new design. You can choose, for example, blank document. And that's how you basically create a project and you can basically start typing whatever you want to type, right? So I can go ahead and just put a text right here. I can do something with that text, right? So whatever it is that I want to do, I can do with the text. So for example, if I wanted to paraphrase this, I can go ahead and do all of that stuff. If I wanted to, for example, bold some stuff, I can go ahead and bold, for example, the word artificial intelligence. I can go ahead and hover over that and click and bold, for example, right? And on the upper right hand side, you can go ahead and you can delete the document if you want or clear the text. But this is how you can start a new project within QuillBot, guys. Very easy and very simple. At the top, you have the name as well, so you can always go ahead and change the name by clicking on it. I'm going to call this one test document, for example, or test project. Let's call it test project. And you click away and it basically saves. Now from here, this is saved under your projects until you'll be able to find your projects right here, as you can see. And that's it.